Hey guys, Wheelie Rider here today, and look at you carefully open the box just like that, and all right, so we're doing an unboxing video on this Smith & Wesson pocket knife. Now we'll take this out of the package and plastic and give it a look-see. Now I already bought one of these for my pretty lady there, and she likes her Smith & Wesson stuff, and me too. So hers is on the left, mine's on the right. Hers is months old, and the safety button, the paint got a little more dull on hers. Mine's still pretty fresh, and yeah, that's one with some use and one that's brand new. Can't really tell much of a difference. I do like these little actuators right on top. They feel spring assisted and open pretty nice and swiftly, nice and quick. I try to always have a knife that has that, just mainly for self-defense purposes or quickness and whatnot. So as you see, this is a little piece of paper that comes in the box, a little warning manual type thing, stating the obvious. Feel free to pause and read if you want. So this is my one thing I don't really like about this, is how it actually sits in your pocket. If it sits in your pocket down like this, most of the time facing the other way, of course, you have to spin it in order to get to your actuator. When all my other knives, my SIG knife, or even this cheap Milwaukee knife, which is actually a really good buy, by the way, but just for an example, how it sits in your pocket, you're already naturally on the actuator. So that's how it sits in your pocket. You pull it out, you're already, bam. It's more of a convenience type thing. So if the ones you own are like that, it'll feel a little weird at first, and or maybe this can be your one knife and you can create some muscle memory to hold it. Otherwise, it's great, feels great, it looks good, and has a nice feeling to it. So that's the one thing I don't like about it. The rest are pros. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.